Will 2025 be the year that graphics cards revolutionize gaming and creativity forever? Imagine a world where graphics cards are not just powerful, but also efficient, sustainable, and capable of unlocking immersive experiences like never before. We've got the inside scoop on the latest predictions, innovations, and game-changing technologies that will shape the future of graphics cards. But here's the thing. We're not playing favorites, so you'll need to stick around till the end to get the full scoop. All links will be in the description below. Subscribe and hit that like button if you find this video helpful. Let's dive in and uncover the future of graphics cards. 1. AMD Radeon RX 7900 GRE is making waves as one of the best overall graphics cards out there, packing serious power for gamers and creators alike. This card is not just about raw performance, but also about giving you a lot of bang for your buck. It features a core clock of 1,500 MHz, 5,376 shaders, and 16 GB of GDDR6 memory, delivering the kind of performance that makes gamers swoon. Imagine playing your favorite Dark A titles in stunning 4K resolution without a hitch. The RX 7900 GRE delivers smooth, immersive gameplay, even outperforming Nvidia's RTX 4070 Super in some areas. That's thanks to AMD's impressive FSR upscaling tech, which narrows the performance gap between AMD and Nvidia. And creators won't be left in the dust. This card also handles photo editing, video processing, and other creative tasks with ease. But like any tech, it's not perfect. The RX 7900 GRE struggles a bit with 3D modeling, where Nvidia's CUDA cores tend to dominate. Still, for most gamers and creators, this card hits the sweet spot between price and performance, making it a top contender for 2025. 2. Nvidia GeForce RTX 4070 Super. For those who prefer Team Green, the Nvidia GeForce RTX 4070 Super is an absolute powerhouse in the mid-range market. Featuring a core clock of 1,980 MHz, 7,168 shaders, and 12 GB of GDDR6X memory, this card offers incredible performance, especially when it comes to ray tracing. The RTX 4070 Super is the best option for gamers who are all about ray tracing and machine learning. Its ray tracing cores make in-game lighting and shadows look incredibly realistic, while DLSS 3 boosts performance even further. This card is also great for creative work, thanks to Nvidia's CUDA architecture, which is ideal for video editing and rendering tasks. However, at 12 GB VI RAM, it's not quite a 4K gaming beast. That's where the RTX 4080 Super comes in. But if you're focused on 1440p gaming or creative content, the RTX 4070 Super offers a fantastic balance of power and price. Just be ready for the higher power draw. This card demands 220 watts of energy. AMD Radeon RX 7600. Looking for performance on a budget? The AMD Radeon RX 7600 brings RDNA 3 to the masses with a wallet-friendly price and impressive specs. This card packs a punch for 1080p gaming with a core clock of 1,720 MHz, 2,048 shaders, and 8 GB of GDDR6 memory, making it perfect for anyone who doesn't want to break the bank but still craves quality gameplay. 1080p gamers will love this card. It can handle high settings on most games and even some solid 1440p ton performance with a few tweaks. At under $300, it's hard to argue with the value this card brings. But as with all budget options, there are trade-offs. Ray tracing and AI cores are weaker compared to Nvidia's equivalent, so if you're dreaming of cutting-edge visuals with ray tracing turned up to max, this might not be the card for you. But for 1080p gaming, especially for those on a budget, this is a fantastic choice. 4. Nvidia GeForce RTX 4080 Super. For those seeking ultimate performance without a $1,500 price tag, the Nvidia GeForce RTX 4080 Super is where it's at. With a core clock of 2.295 MHz and 10,240 shaders, it's designed for 4K gaming and creative workflows that demand power. Equipped with 16 GB of GDDR6X memory, it comes close to the performance of the RTX 4090, but at a 40% lower cost. This card shines in 4K gaming, where it easily handles even the most graphically intense games. It also boasts Nvidia's DLS3 and reflex technology, ensuring buttery smooth gameplay and responsive controls. For creators, the RTX 4080 Super excels in video rendering, 3D animation, and machine learning tasks. But don't be fooled by its lower price compared to the 4090. It's still not exactly cheap. At just under $1,000, it's an investment. If you want the best, though, it's hard to beat the balance of price and power here. 5. AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT. For gamers looking for the best 1440p performance, the AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT is the answer. It comes with a core clock of 1,295 MHz, 3,800 shaders, and 16 GB of GDDR6 memory, making it a top choice for high-resolution gaming. This card goes head-to-head with Nvidia's RTX 4070, and in many cases it comes out on top, especially in rasterization performance. Whether you're exploring massive open-world games or engaging in fast-paced shooters, the RX 7800 XT delivers smooth, detailed visuals. Ray tracing has improved, though Nvidia still holds a slight edge in that department. But at its price point, the RX 7800 XT offers unbeatable value for gamers who want serious 1440p performance without paying Nvidia's inflated prices. It's a clear winner for mid-range gamers. 6. Nvidia GeForce RTX 4060. Wrapping things up with an option for 1080p gamers, the Nvidia GeForce RTX 4060 offers phenomenal performance for its price. With a core clock of 1,830 MHz, 3,072 shaders, and 8 GB of GDDR6 memory, this card is built for gamers who don't need 4K, but want something that performs at 1080p with ease. Thanks to Nvidia's DLSS3 technology and real-time ray tracing, the RTX 4060 punches above its weight class, giving you access to next-gen features without the hefty price tag. It's also capable of moderate 1440p gaming, so you're not limited to one resolution. However, with only 8 GB of VRAM, you might find it lacking in more demanding titles, especially with ray tracing enabled. But for under $300, it's hard to complain when the performance is this good. These cards represent the best of what 2025 has in store. Whether you're chasing 4K perfection, looking for mid-range value, or gaming on a budget, the future of graphics cards is bright and full of possibilities. Keep an eye out for these incredible options and get ready for a whole new level of gaming and creativity.